It takes approximately 40 minutes to get there, and there's no tolls. You might get stuck behind a school bus if you go in the morning, but it's usually a pretty easy drive. So our staff here is Kyle, he's the physical therapist, Megan, who is a PTA, and then Kate, who is an athletic trainer and a certified strength and conditioning specialist.
The hours are Monday and Wednesday from 9 to 7:30, and Tuesday and Thursday from 7 to 5:30.
Welcome to the Southern Maine Healthcare Performance Center. All right, let's head into the waiting room. This is the waiting room where all our patients check in. All right, here at the Southern Maine Healthcare Sports Performance Center, there are two sides. We have the strength and conditioning side and the physical therapy side. So we'll be starting with the PT side today. In here, the PT side, we have a lot of machines we can use for exercise. Right here, we have the total gym. Over here, we have what is normally used for warm-ups. We have a bike, an elliptical, a treadmill, and a stationary bike. We have two offices on this side that the PT uses to do his evals with patients. And if you keep walking over this way, we have two beds that we use for our patients to lay on if they need to do that. We have two machines over here that are for pulleys, and it's kind of cool. The weight is changed to pressurized gas, which I've never seen before, which is pretty neat. If you keep walking over here, you'll see the stim machine as well as the Game Ready. Two things we use for pain management here. And we have a fridge and a freezer for ice packs and things of that nature, and a hydrotherm which keeps our hot packs nice and warm. All right, so here on the sports performance side, there's loads of equipment for exercising. We have the sled right here that we do for pushes and pulls. We have boxes over here for jumping. We have a table over here if there needs to be any type of therapy put on a patient. We have medicine balls, and then we have a bunch of free weights over here with benches, and then a set bench press over here. We have some landmine press stations here and here, as well as a slide board right here, and two giant squat racks over here with pull-up bars on them. And then we have a giant turf going down the center of the room, which is pretty cool.
In the first couple weeks of being here, it's mostly observation, cleaning, and re-racking weights.
And then once you've been here for a little, they let you do some stims, some heat and ice, and you also get to take patients through some of their exercises.
So I don't think there's one specific personality type that fits well in this setting. I feel like if you're a hard worker and willing to do work without being asked, you'd fit in well. If you have a desire to learn, you'd fit in. You have to have a sense of humor, so all the site supervisors like to joke around. And you have to be willing to make small talk or just chat with the patients, be a personable person, and then I think if you have any of those things, you'd be a pretty good fit for this facility.